Start. Hey y'all, it's Alicia Madeline. Welcome back to The Counter is My Couch. I'm glad you're here because today I want to speak about something that I've lived for a long time, and maybe you have too. So I was at the gym this morning, and for whatever reason, gym time puts me in like reflection mode. I earned this, okay? But while I was working out, something that's been true under layers is that I talk bravely on social about what I can't say at home. And I don't mean like physical home, like family, friends, the close folks, right? I realized that I don't necessarily share my pain with family because I don't want to worry them. Nope. I don't know if they can hold me when I'm not okay, when I'm not okay. I've been the strong one, the one they can lean on, and maybe I'm scared that they'll see me as weak. Or I don't know. I just it's like I don't know how to name the ache. I don't know how to say I'm hurting. Like I just said it, but I don't know how to express it, and it's the weirdest thing. I feel like it's been some years now, but I have tried to open up. And the response that I got, it made me feel shame and silly and brushed off. And I know it wasn't intentional. I know with everything that's in me, my people love me. I know it's my own stuff. But in those moments when I've tried and I've not been successful in the way that I thought that I needed to, or I wanted the moment to feel, I buried my truth with, oh, I'm fine. No, I'm good. I've got this. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. I say that all the time. Everything is fine. And I realize I'm carrying this ache in silence. And boy, this weekend it was loud. The silence was really, really loud, and the weight builds, and I buckled, I cracked, I shut down. Sometimes it cracks, you open when you least expect it. So this morning I'm working out, feeling good, and I'm trying to be present, right? Trying to be in the moment, because I've been talking to you guys about being present. And I decided that I want to stop shrinking. Nice Soka morning workout, let's shift that. Let's shift it to, some house would be good, but that's not the vibe I'm feeling right now. So, what was I telling you about? Just about the times that I've tried to open up and I brushed it off, and that feeling of, I'm fine, I got it, right? But this week in the silence, I kept going back to places and I couldn't figure it out. And it was like the weight was building and building and building. And now I felt like the cracks were showing. Maybe folks weren't seeing that, but I felt so exposed. I felt like you can see I'm buckling. But then I talked to my people, and they didn't even notice. So I just decided, okay, I'm going to stop shrinking. I am going to let some of this heaviness have a voice here with you at the counter, so it doesn't remain locked in me forever. It's easier to talk to you, to let you in. I don't know, that's weird, but I feel like we're becoming friends, and I'm grateful for the space to do that here at my counter. So I've been thinking of this joy assignment that both you and I can do. And I'd like to invite you in to a very, very small assignment. Not because you need to fix anything, and not because I need to fix anything, but because our hearts deserve some space today, tonight, wherever you are in the world. Pick one quiet moment. Maybe as you're lying in bed or sitting with a drink. Just name out loud to yourself, out loud, one thing that you're holding that you wish you could say out loud. To folks, to friends, to somebody. If you feel up to it, write it on a page. Don't worry about grammar and clarity and how it should be perfectly said. Just let it come out exactly as it is. Then we're going to breathe. You and me, we'll just breathe. We'll let that truth rest somewhere real. And if none of that feels possible today, that's all right too. Just give yourself 5 deep breaths. I am notorious for talking about breathing, but I do feel like it helps to get us centered and back into our body, and that's enough. I love y'all. Now, if you resonate with this ache, this being the strong friend, you're there for everybody, but you don't want to be invisible anymore, I want to invite you to get my Bake Through It workbook. It's designed for folks like us. It's designed for moments like this. It's designed to guide you through holding grief and softening and holding pain and moving that into joy, step by step, baking aligned along the way. And if you want more than just the workbook and you're looking for a community to hold you, I've got that too. We got the Joyful Baking community. I'd love to see you there. We've got some amazing workshops throughout the week. where we talk about things just like this. Over dessert, over a cocktail, we get to share conversations and recipes and build community and connection. So the workbook is your entry. It's the way you get started. I'm pulling it out right now as we speak because I need it. And the community is all about belonging. The link it's up there in the description. I'd love for you to come and allow yourself to be seen if that's something that you're ready for right now. Thank you for sitting with me today at the counter. You don't have to be strong all the time. You really don't. You don't have to carry the pain at all, but you certainly don't have to carry it alone. And I'm here, and I'm grateful you showed up. And thank you for being here with me, because I needed this feeling that I'm not alone. Next time, same counter, more soft talk. Cheers, y'all.